Welcome to a day that we've been waiting on for so long. This day was supposed to happen a couple days ago.
This day was supposed to happen on the 23rd.
Today is the day that Aiden makes his arrival, possibly, into the world. We're scheduled to be induced today, and we are super excited. It's currently 12:30, and we are scheduled to check in to labor and delivery at 3, but we're gonna get there before 3. So we got a little bit of backstory to tell y'all, and then tell y'all about this video. Last Thursday, which was like 24th, Kim had her 40-week appointment. Last appointment, she was feeling fine, went to the appointment, and then while she was there, before we left, Kim was like, Brandon, I just went pee. And then I was like, okay. And then you were like, you having a contraction? Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. She was like, Brandon, I peed and then it stopped. And then I still felt more pee. And I was like, okay, what does that mean? And she was like, I don't know if my water just broke or what. So we ended up going to the appointment a couple hours later, and they did a test on Kim and was like, yeah, your water broke. Like, you need to go to the hospital like now. And they told us that
she wanted me to go to test to see if it really did break.
Yeah. The
test that they had was like, I guess, low grade.
And the one at the hospital was like more accurate. That's what they made it seem to be, I guess. So we went to the hospital and they tested us. And they were like, oh yeah, like if we got some room, y'all could just stay. Mind you, like we were scheduled, this is last Thursday, we were scheduled for Monday anyways. But they were like, yeah, we can go ahead and fit y'all in and get this ball rolling if we have room. They didn't have room.
Sadly.
Then they also tested Kim and it was a false positive. Her water really did not break. So they sent us home. And so we came home, we enjoyed the weekend, tried to relax as much as possible. And now we're here. Last night, I was like, it'll be so funny if like you actually go into labor on your induction date and they don't have to induce you. And sure enough, this morning she's been having like crazy intense contractions, and they're like 7 minutes apart right now. So I feel like even if we didn't get him induced today, he would probably like come on his own today or tomorrow.
Yeah, a couple of days.
So we got some stuff, like I said, that we got to do. The hospital's like 30 minutes away. So we're gonna leave in just a little while to make sure that we beat Atlanta traffic and get there and get there at a reasonable time and don't get our appointment time canceled. So yeah, we're gonna bring y'all along for as much as we can. I don't know if they're gonna let us film in the the hospital, but we're gonna see if we can film. Brandon is gonna film regardless, one of the ways. Either y'all gonna be up on the tripod or y'all gonna be in my book bag with some shirts over you. Some kind of way we making this video. So the next time you see us, we'll probably be checking in to the hospital. The lady of the hour is all checked in and in her little beautiful gown. And right now they're just running tests on her. They got her hooked up to the monitor, got baby hooked up to the monitor. And they're about to do a COVID test on her, so we're gonna make sure that we get that on camera.
I was tempted to tell her, no, I don't want to do it. Because she acts like it was an option.
Right? So this is our room. Very big and spacious. The dad bed, very large. And so far everything's going really well. The nurses are nice and trying to make us feel nice and welcome. So once we get something new happening, we'll check back in with y'all. All right, so we just got a little update. The nurse has unfortunately told us that we can't record, but I was kind of expecting that. But I'll at least try and capture some audio of what's going on. It's not technically recording. I don't know. I just left out the room to go get the rest of our bags, and the nurse said that they're gonna do a cervical exam and then give her Cervidil to finish ripening the rest of her cervix, and then give her the Pitocin to start the contractions. So the nurse was saying it's most likely gonna be tomorrow. So that'll be Tuesday the 30th, no, the 29th. when things actually like start kicking off, because she was saying the Cervidil is going to take 12 hours for it to completely ripen her cervix, but it might take shorter because yours is already almost there. So
she was basically just saying to get as much rest as possible because tomorrow's gonna be a long day.
Yeah, so I don't really know like if this video is gonna turn out how we intended on it to turn out, but when we can grab clips, we'll be sure to update y'all on what's going on. Next time y'all probably see us, it'll be after Kim gets her cervical exam and the Cervidil. Alright guys, last time y'all saw us, they were about to give Kim Cervidil to soften her cervix and get her ready for labor. Come to find out, when the nurse checked to see how dilated she was already 4 centimeters. So they didn't have to give her Cervidil, and they were like, scratch that. We thought he was going to be born tomorrow because it takes Cervidil so many hours to work in your system. He's going to be here tonight because you're already 4 centimeters. And her contraction. You look so excited, Kim.
I'm tired already. I did my COVID
They
test.
did your COVID test. I'm not sure if I said that. She came back negative, so we're COVID free. And they have her on some fluids right now just to keep her nice and hydrated. They're getting everything prepped. They've got his little bed prepped right now over there. And they're like, yeah, we need to call the doctor because this thing is going to happen probably tonight with the way that you're dilating as quick as you are. So you're doing great, baby.
I need chapstick.
You do need chapstick. I'll get you some. We actually just released the "If you're watching this, I'm in labor" video, and so many of y'all are saying congratulations and can you do anything for us? So we appreciate that as well.
You gonna show them the goodies?
Oh yeah. Nurses? So we did get our nurses some goodies. I don't know if y'all can see them. Some lifesavers, some granola bars, some Cheez-Its, hand sanitizer, coffee, pens, notepads, gum, just a whole bunch of like common stuff that they would probably use just as a thank you. So they've been like coming in and like picking and choosing some stuff. But the last thing that they did was like get his bed ready and get all of the instruments that they need to weigh him and get his footprint. They took your fingerprint. So yeah, everything is good. Yeah, when something else interesting happens, we'll update y'all. All right, we got a little bit of an update. It is
It's 8:37.
8:30. I can't read a digital.
It's not digital.
We're cutting that out the video. That ain't even gonna make it in there. She's been checked again. She's now 5-ish centimeters. Her water has broken. They have done the epidural. Look at this face. Right now we're literally just waiting for him to come. The nurse checked her. They have her like sitting in an upright position right now because like
his head is already low, and they just want it to keep moving that way, and using gravity to help it get lower.
So I mean, honestly, things are going quick, and like honestly,
we went from thinking that we were gonna be induced, and this process of him being here will be tomorrow,
to like it's coming like soon. Like once they told us that she didn't have to get the Cervidil to soften her cervix, and that her cervix had already softened, things are moving like extremely quickly. It's like one thing after the other. Like they did give you some medicine. I forgot what it's called. Pitocin.
We told them that.
Yeah. Well, that we told them that before the contractions. We told them that before the contractions got bad. The contractions got to where like Kim could not.
She said that I was sensitive to the Pitocin, and it was making me have the contractions more often
and more intense, right? And so maybe like 10 minutes after you got it, Kim's like, okay, yeah, this is like crazy. I need an epidural now. Like Kim did not waste no time, and I do not blame you. That was a really scary procedure, like the epidural. The epidural.
Could you see what they were doing?
I could like like look over and see a little bit. They had me, she was like, her back was facing right here, and I was sitting on this side to like hold her for like extra support, make sure she didn't move or jolt or anything like that, because of course they are going in her spine, so they didn't want her moving at all. But yeah, I mean, honestly, things are moving really quickly. We didn't expect them to move quickly because, I mean, at all the appointments, they've been saying that you're not making any progress. And then all of a sudden, like, we threatened him with being induced today, and he is hurrying up. He's like, okay, I'll put my toys away in here and I'll come on out. They've already called the doctor and they're like, hey, he's coming tonight. But the nurse did say that she's 5 centimeters dilated, and typically it'll take like an hour to dilate 1 centimeter. So we're looking at least like 5 more hours. So that's like 1 o'clock. Like 1. I've pulled my little daddy couch right beside her, and I'm gonna try and get some sleep. Kim's already feeling loopy and sleepy from this epidural. And we're gonna try and get some rest because right now we can't really do anything. There's nothing that we can possibly do except for just wait for him to get here. So we're gonna get some rest so that when he is here, he's probably gonna cry through the night.
Might not. I'm wishing that on my baby.
We're gonna be prepared for if he does cry throughout the night. So we're gonna try and get a couple hours of sleep and figure out how to turn these lights off. But yeah, next time y'all see us, more than likely it'll be push time, but it won't be any video. It'll just be audio. So next time y'all see us, that'll be what is going on.
Stars are tracing the sky like city windows. I watch you reflect in your eyes. Slow dance on the New York City high-rise. You and me on top of the world. And I'm feeling like it was only ever you. And I'm feeling like it was something I won't lose. You are a part of me. 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 You are a part of me
No, 5.5. Not a problem. Already had all right. Take a deep breath, baby. Push it. Push
Oh my God.
Whoa,
Oh my God.
45.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at him. Baby.
Accept that for two.
Hey, baby.
Good job. You did amazing. Wow. I was like, I got enough time to go to the computer. Good job, sweetie.
You did it, baby.
Yeah.
You did it, baby.
Beautiful. You did a great job. That is a big boy. Good job, sweetheart.
That didn't take no time.
Yeah. Look at all that hair on his head. You gonna cut the cord, Daddy?
Uh-huh.
Come on, let's do it. Come around. Okay, look, those chunks.